So welcome back guys, you are watching Rising Coder Syria, and in this video we are going to see diamond pattern using Java. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, please get subscribed guys and share this video with your friends. Before these videos, we are having different videos on different patterns which we have just seen. Let's recall them. In the pattern 5, we have just seen inverted pyramid, then we have just seen pyramid, then we have seen inverted right angle pattern, then right angle triangle, then we have seen the normal square pattern and for each loop. These concepts, all of these concepts comes under for each loop. Right now we are going to go with the diamond pattern guys. This is the normal pyramid and here we are having inverted pyramid. Okay, fine. But here if you see, the stars value is more, because if you see in the normal pattern, okay, I'm just going to move in pattern for pyramid pattern. So you can just see over here on line 1 there is just 1, then 2, then 3. But here if you see on pattern 6 there will be 3 stars. So we are going to start our I value with 1. So it will be 1 here, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay. So here n value is going to be 4. So let's make it as well. So integer n is equal to 4. So how many spaces are there? So for this I will just say sp equal to, on the first line there is total 3 spaces. If you see here, the 3 dots, that means there are totally 3 spaces on this line. So let me make it 3. Then here on this line there are totally 2 spaces. You can see the 2 dots, 2 spaces. Then on this line there is 1. Okay. And on the 6, okay, on this line there is no space. Okay, you can just see. Before writing the code, one thing we need to know, that we are going to solve first this part, then we will solve the below part. Okay, because what is going to happen, our already code is going to be written for the top part, and this only we are going to use, some changes we are going to do, and you will get all this pyramid. So before moving ahead, you need to just focus on this part. Okay, on the top part which we are going to talk about right now. First step is going to be iteration. Okay, so our iteration is going to start from 1 and it is going to end at 4. So let's make it guys. So let me come here and let's say for integer I equal to, we're going to start from 1. I should be less than, now as it is starting from 1 not 0, so we are going to say I should be less than equal, and up to where we need to move, we need to move up to the value of n, and we are going to say I plus plus, as our I value is 4. Okay, so we are going to move up to I should be less than equal to n. So it will start from 1, it will move up to 4. So this iteration I'm talking about. Okay, now the next thing is going to be, we need to print these spaces. So it's quite simple. We have just seen how many spaces are there on the first line, 3 2 1 0. Okay, fine. So for this we will have another for loop. We will say for integer j equal to, obviously there will be one space at least. Okay, if you see there is just one space. Okay, and up to where it is going to move. Okay, if you see there is 3 value at this and our n value is 4. If I'm going to say n minus I, okay, so for spaces, if I'm going to say n minus I, 4 minus 1, you will get 3. Using equal to, we are going to say j should be less than equal to, and in bracket we are going to write this n minus I. Outside this we will say j plus plus. And what is star? Simple. Now let's run it and see what is the output guys. So you will be able to see the star. From here we are going to move on the next line. So we'll say system.out.print, and here it will be ln. Okay, fine. Now let's run it and you will get these spaces which we were wanting. So 3, then we want 2 spaces, so that means 2 stars are printed, then 1. In this way it is working. Okay, fine. Until now it is fine. Here there is total 1 star, then here 3, then we are getting here 5, and then we are getting 7. So you can calculate them. So you can just see the odd numbers over here. So for this, the formula is quite simple guys. So we are going to multiply 2 with I. Okay, 2 into I. But when I'm multiplying it, so what is happening? 2 into 1, we are getting 2. But we want here how many stars? We want totally 1 star. So I'm going to minus it with 1. Minus 1. So how many stars we wanted to print? This is going to fix by this formula. So for this, let's see. So it will be 2 into, here I value is 2. So it will be 4. 4 minus 1. So it will be 3. So here we want 3 stars. Okay. Similarly for this, 2 into 2 you will get 4. 4 minus 1 you will get 5. Okay, fine. Then it will be 4 to the 8 minus 1 you will get 7. So this is the formula which we are going to use. So here we printed the spaces. Okay, we are going to replace with these spaces. So here instead of star we need a blank space. So let's make it. Okay, fine. So right now guys we are going to print these stars. So let's make it stars, and here we are going to say for integer j equal to, we are going to start from 1. J should be less than equal to, it will be what is the formula? We have just seen it's 2 into I minus 1. So let's make it over here. So it will be 2 to I minus 1, and you will just say j plus plus, and this line which we wanted, I'm just going to copy this and we are going to paste it. We just replace this space with the star. So let's replace it, and that's all. The top part is done. Okay, or you can okay, it's already done. You can just see 1 3. Okay, the desired output which we were wanting is there on the console. Now we just need to make it opposite. That means we need to invert it, rotate it. Okay, so what we can do is, here we just need to copy this all the code which we are going to have, and we are just going to reverse it. So how we can reverse it? Start from n, and this greater sign is going to, this sign is going to be changed. That's all. I minus minus. These three steps you need to do. The start point is going to change with the end point, and end point is going to be changed with the start point. Okay, we are going to replace both of them, start point and end point, as we seen here. So I with I is equal to n, we are going to start from the last, and we are going to move to 1. And the next step is decrement. So we are going to decrement it. After running this, what is going to happen? Let's see. So I'm going to run the code, and obviously you are able to see the diamond pattern. If you see, these two lines are repeated. So what we can do, we can do two things. Okay, to remove this, you can just say here n minus 1. So it will start from 3. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, fine. Now the diamond pattern is ready. Or you can do one thing that, okay, or you can do one thing that instead of this, you can directly say here n minus 1. You can just say here n minus 1, and after running this, it will work same only. Okay, we are taking out the third line from this, last line from this, or you can do it from bottom. So both of the cases it will work, guys. So this is quite simple. So first thing you need to know that how we are able to print this pattern. If you are able to print this pattern, then only you are able to reverse this, because reversing is not taking a lot of time. For 2, okay, let's change the value for 2, and let's see what is the output over here. So yeah, for 2 also it is able to do. So obviously it is able to make for this 10th pattern as well. So this is all about this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, please get subscribed and share this video with your friends, and you will get the notes and source code inside description. Thank you guys for watching this video.